Welcome to this short tutorial from a more positive me on how to import your files into Goodnotes. You can use this for our documents to make them easier to read and make your own notes on, or you can use it to import our workbooks so you can complete them in Goodnotes and save them to refer to later. It's a great way to reflect and track your progress. The first step is to open the Goodnotes app on your tablet. Here I have created a folder called A More Positive Me and added it to my favorites. Next, you tap the plus sign to open up the menu and select Import. Navigate to the document you want to import and select it. Then press Open. The document opens up in Goodnotes. Tapping on the thumbnail icon in the top left of the screen will let you see all the pages available in the document. Let's select Exercise 4. Mindful Listening. The document is displayed in read-only mode. To mark it up or add your own comments, select the pencil icon in the top bar. It will change color and a new set of options will appear below it. From this new bar, you can select the pen type, pen width and color. You can also select the eraser, highlighter and other options. With the pen selected, you can make your own notes on the page, recording the day of the week, adding a date, and then making your own notes in the areas provided. Use this to record your own thoughts and observations from the exercise. When done, you can scroll through the previous pages to review your entries or make more. If you open up the thumbnail view again, you will see all the pages, with the text you have just written showing on the bottom left of the screen here. But wait, you have just spotted a problem. The power of Goodnotes, like other similar tools, is that you can create copies of a page within the document. That's what makes this so powerful, as you don't need to buy or get another copy when this one is filled in. But you just wrote on the page you wanted to reuse. No problem. Just open the page, click the three dots at the top right of the screen and make a copy. You can then go back to your thumbnail view and paste the copy into your document. But it has copied the handwritten text you added as well. Okay, just use the eraser to remove it. It won't touch the original text of the document, only your additions. The eraser tool can also be therapeutic. A bit like coloring as a way of relaxing, you get instant gratification and results. Then, when you have your new blank page, make an entry for a different day. In this example, your feelings on a Monday morning. And finally, if you want to keep your worksheets organized differently, maybe all of one exercise together so you can see you progress on that topic, just drag and drop them around in the thumbnail view. Thank you. We hope you found this tutorial useful. For more help on your personal development journey, be sure to check out our website, where you'll find lots more information and links to follow us on your favorite social media channel. Goodnotes is available for Apple, Android and Windows platforms and available from goodnotes.com. All trademarks, logos and brand names are the property of their respective owners. Please visit amorepositiveme.com for more tips and advice on improving your mental well-being.